This is Saikesh Gaud. By qualification, I'm an IIT Varanasi alumni, but my passion has always to become an entrepreneur and do a business. And this is how I started Country Chicken Co. And coming to Country Chicken Co., this is a venture which is all about Natukodi, Desi Murgi, and these things. Here, while we started this Country Chicken Co., we observed that there's a lot of demand in market for country chicken, for Natukodi, but there's no proper supply chain over there. And also, the retail stores are very horrible, and there's no proper supply and demand. And that's where we launched our products. And in this month, in this year, in February, we launched our first store in Pragati Nagar, and currently we are standing tall at 4 stores. And we look at expanding to almost 64 stores in 6 cities of India. If I talk about Hyderabad, we're looking to expand to almost 12 stores. And the major reason of doing this business is, first, to help out the farmers who have been already raising country chicken. We are associated with 15,000 plus country chicken farmers across India now. And secondly, a common person, he's tired of eating the regular chicken. He's fed up with it. And it's like it's causing him numerous health issues. A person who's consuming regular chicken nowadays is facing several types of heart issues, cholesterol, obesity, and n number of things. While this Natukodi, it offers him a much more healthier chicken alternative. Here, he would be able to enjoy the true taste of Natukodi while with the health benefits. And secondly, we have launched a new product called Tender Telangana, which is famous for the tenderness of a chicken. You might have never heard of a Natukodi, which is tender too, and we have launched that product. All the regular chicken lovers, they can surely try our Tender Telangana. And next, here we are in a stage where we are looking to expand pan-India. So here we are looking to raise capital for the same. It's not just about the money that a person would fetch in for us. It's also about the way that he would be contributing the company. He would be the way we want a support on a pan-India level. For that reason, we are looking to associate with the venture capital of such firms.
Hi, my name is Mohammad Samyuddin. I'm a Chief Operating Officer and co-founder for Country Chicken Co. If we talk about operations, if we talk about store, this is one of the most hygiene. We have even awarded, one of the most hygiene stores ever built. If you enter our store, you will see very pleasant smell coming in. We have proper air conditions. We will be able to see live chicken, put there, very beautiful live chickens. You will be able to see the processing happening in front of you, right? Processing happening in front of you, right? People, if you visit any of the stores, there is always a bad odor coming in. But whenever you visit our store, a pleasant smell coming in, you will be seeing, the processing happening in front of you. And we have achieved that level of stage where people, parents coming up with their children and they're feeding their children by coming to our store. That's I always tell this example because that level of hygiene, because generally people don't bring in their children to meat stores or any unhygienic place. They bring in, they feed food in our store. That higher level of hygiene is what we have received. And when we talk about operations, we sell fresh chicken at our store. We don't freeze it, or we don't sell frozen chicken. Right? We maintain a proper quality. We are tied up with 15,000 country chicken farmers all across South India. We have a person who is heading farming and procurement. His name is Suri Babu. We have got support from various people from the industry, be it a director of CPD and all those people. We have got immense of support, and we are expanding very fast. I request you all, and it's an experiential store. I want you to come visit our store and experience the farm outlet at Manikonda. These are 4th outlet. Thank you.